We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Phone number is 8.5x30 Today we're going to be looking at this 8.5 by 30 foot Deckover gooseneck equipment trailer. This does have the 12 inches of IBeam, your gooseneck, has safety chains. Here we have your chain basket. This does have heavy duty jacks. Here we have your D-rings that are built in, your stake pockets along the side. The floor is pressure treated wood. This does have two 7,000-pound axles with 16-inch wheels and tires. There are brakes on the rear. This trailer does have a self-cleaning dovetail. Has your D-rings on the side of that as well. And the loading ramps are 5 feet tall. They are wider than our traditional ramps. This trailer does have LED drive lights. And your spare tire holder here up front. Once again, this is the 8.5 by 30 foot Deckover gooseneck equipment trailer. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.